Welcome back. Now news from sports. India scored a victory over UAE Shaheen in their debut season in the Asian Rugby 7 series at Don Bosco ground in Panji on Saturday. Hong Kong and China are looking like the favourites to make it to the finals as they have won all their matches so far. This was a historic occasion for India as they are participating for the first time in the ranking series in the Asian 7. For Goa, this is the first ever multi-team international tournament to be held in the state. The atmosphere at the Don Bosco ground was befitting and a momentous occasion. Here is the report.
This is an historic step in the direction of promoting rugby in the state. With rugby trying to establish its footing in the football-crazy state, the Goa Rugby Football Union has pulled off a stunning show by hosting an international event on debut. All eyes in the morning session were on India as they faced a tough task of taking on a strong Kazakhstan. There were some positive signs from the Indians, but their rivals were stronger and it showed in their result. Kazakhstan beat India by 29 points to 7. For those who have no idea about the sport, the match is exciting to watch. 2 halves of 7 minutes each is the duration of one match. With such high entertainment value, the Rugby Sevens can become the new sensation in the country if promoted and accepted well by the society. India were up against China. The Chinese have been a growing superpower in the sports field in the world. And they are right up there when it comes to Asian rugby scene. India could not give enough competition to the Chinese and as a result, India lost by a scoreline 5 points to 24. India, however, tasted victory over UAE Shaheen in the evening session. India won by 38 points to 12 against the whipping boys of the tournament, UAE Shaheen. UAE Shaheen is the only team so far to have lost all their matches on the opening day. Sunday promises to be an exciting day with the finals scheduled to start around 4 o'clock in the evening. The Don Bosco students had the great opportunity to taste top-class rugby action from close quarters. Hopefully, some of these will be our future rugby stars. Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Sushant Pearl from Panji.
It was a festival atmosphere at the Don Bosco school ground in Panji on Saturday morning when Asian Rugby 7 series made its resounding presence felt. Quite amazingly, the school children were very much excited about the sport. If the Goa Rugby Football Union can promote the sport in schools as systematically as they have worked so far, rugby is bound to capture the imagination of the Goans for sure. Prudent spoke to the various stakeholders in the promotion of rugby.
Jared Gallagher, the Regional Development Manager of International Rugby Board. Jared, nice to see that Goan school kids are getting started with the rugby basics.
Oh, it's wonderful to see, and what's good to see is that they're enjoying it. You know, and that's what it's all about. We want participation, we want enjoyment, makes it a fun day.
Now, this is the first ever tournament in Goa, and I guess everything has been fine, as you said in the last evening's press conference. So when you are now on the ground, how do you find the various things? I mean, any complaints from anybody?
Yeah, I don't know about complaints, but I think the first thing is that we've come into a school, and what that brings is some challenges, but also brings some excitement. So all the school children come out and participate and watch, and I think they're caught up in the fever of it. And so also the players are enjoying it as well.
I guess you must have drawn your plans to maintain the momentum and take rugby forward in the state. Yes, this is a first step, and as you can see, there is a lot of interest which is visible in the in the stands out there where the children are, and that is what we want, because we have to start off rugby from the grassroots level. So our next step, definitely we have sorted out our plans, and our plans are on the table. As soon as we finish off this very important tournament, we will get on to brass tracks. We will start the youth development program. We will start training the physical training instructors of all the schools. Now have with us Anish Keni, the president of Goa Rugby Football Union. Anish, first of all, congratulations. Everything looks very lovely out here. Lots of efforts, I guess. Lots of efforts. It's the efforts of the whole state. It's the effort of everyone involved. Asian rugby, Indian rugby, Goa rugby. Goans, I mean, welcome to Goa. Yeah, rugby is here. The thing is, we are learning sideways coordination of the ball, because when you play rugby, it's always the side passes. You pass to the opponent on your side. You never pass forward, because a forward pass is always considered a foul. So we're training them how to pass the ball sideways till they reach the end, then they pass it back, because these are the basic drills that you begin when you're going to start rugby in Goa. Okay, and handling of the ball, how they hold it, it's the basic, most important drill. It's the most important drill, because in rugby, if you drop the ball, it's considered a foul, so you're not allowed to really drop the ball.
Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Sushant Paul from Panji.
West Bengal emerged champs in the 11th All India BSNL football tournament held at Taligaon football grounds. They beat Maharashtra by tiebreaker after the match was tied at 1-1.
West Bengal scored in the 30th minute of the first half. Maharashtra tried to equalize but missed a couple of easy scoring chances. After the lemon break, Maharashtra managed to pull one back during the 55th minute. Both teams were close to going one up but failed on a number of occasions. The match went into extra time, but both teams again failed to score. In the tiebreaker, West Bengal proved to be better team by winning with a margin of 4-3. Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.